Hello. Is your curly ponytail and or messy bun underwhelming? Do you dream of having a thick, juicy, curly ponytail or messy bun? Well, I'm gonna show you how to do that, even if your hair isn't the longest or the thickest. Let's go. The first thing you're going to do is make your hair as Jane of the Jungle as possible. Let it do its thing. Separate as many curl clusters as you can. I have a video about how to separate your curl clusters with the least amount of frizz possible. The other thing you want to do is make sure you zhuzh up your roots. So go around your head and zhuzh it up. You can do this with a wide tooth comb. You can do this with a pick. The other really important factor is to make sure that if you just wash your hair, your roots have to be 100% dry. Have to. I'm gonna show you what a regular ponytail or messy bun would look like in my hair without doing my foolproof method first. So I'm gonna take just a regular elastic and put my hair up and show you. It's not the greatest bun or ponytail. Very underwhelming. So it looks a little something like this. Not very cute. Not really working for me, right? So what you're going to do is take the hair from just the crown of your head, this little bit right here. Don't take too much, don't take too little. This is going to be your anchor point for the entire thing. This will also determine where the height of your bun is going to be. So if you want one super high up, go towards the front of your crown. If you want one kind of in the middle, dead center of your crown. If you want one a little bit on the lower end, go to the lower portion of your crown. And then just make a regular ponytail with your elastic. Make sure that this is tight and squeeze it down to the point where you get as much volume here as possible, since it is your anchor point. So if there's hair like this that sticks up, better, even better. You're going to need a lot of bobby pins, so search your nooks and crannies of your home where you know that they have kind of run away to, just like all my thousands and thousands of bobby pins have disappeared to throughout my life. God knows where they are right now. Oh, and before I start, I've been getting a lot of messages in my Instagram account asking me if my eyelashes are real, and they are. Thank you so much for the compliment, but I'm gonna show you the mascara that I use. It is by L'Oreal Paris Voluminous Lash Paradise. I just started using this. I was using, here, can you see it? Not really. I'll link it below. I was using Maybelline and it started to flake underneath my eyes and it was a huge pain in the butt, so I just switched to this and I really like it. I use about 2 to 3 coats, let them dry slightly in between coats, not too much, and don't put the second coat on when it's really wet. That's how you're gonna get the volume and the dark color, because I love when my lashes are super dark. This is also very black. After you do your ponytail, you're gonna take whatever size section you prefer. I usually do 4 in the front. So if we're taking half of this portion of my head, it will be 2 sections on each side. You don't have to be super neat about this. I actually think it works better if you don't make a straight part. The more wild you are with curly hair, the better. Don't fight your hair, let it be crazy. And then you're going to twist your hair either this way or this way, whichever you prefer. I'm going to twist down, and you're going to start towards your front hairline and you're going to twist, and as you twist you're going to add more of the section to it. Make sure you twist it all the way down to your scalp, and then you're going to secure it right here where the section meets the ponytail portion. If you have super thick hair, you're going to have to crisscross your bobby pins. Pin it down and have the bobby pin go that way so that it doesn't stick out. And even right there, you should see a huge difference in volume from whichever side you're looking at. You're gonna do the same thing at the next section. I'm gonna get a little close. Twist, twist, twist. Again, be messy. Keep twisting and bring it all the way to your scalp until you get to the area where that section meets the ponytail section. And then you are going to clip it. Not clip it, you're gonna bobby pin it. This should feel really secure. If it doesn't feel secure, use more bobby pins. And you're gonna kind of zhuzh that. Do you see how much more volume I have? I like to go from front to back, so I did this portion, now I'm gonna do this one. Split this into two, the front half into two. And see, like, I'm not using straight parts. And you're gonna twist, twist, twist. Meet that area again. Secure with a bobby pin going backwards. Zhuzh, blend it with the ponytail. And the reason you have to have completely dry roots is otherwise all this will go, it'll flop. Same thing, twist, 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 secure. You're gonna have to practice your spacing between where you stop and where the ponytail is. Make sure that you don't have any negative space there or else it will look really strange. You want this to look like it's one giant ponytail, not a bunch of pieces joining together. And the good news about this too is even if the wind blows, if you do this correctly, it won't show the areas that are missing the hair. I mean, really, you could stop here if you like your hair half up, half down. I hate my hair half up, half down, so I'm not doing it. I'm gonna keep going. Split these up into however you feel comfortable. If you have really thick hair, split it up into more sections, otherwise it's too much to manage. Keep twisting, meet that section. And what's good about this is you can do this even if you have really short hair. What matters most, I'd say, is the length of your crown. If you have hair up to here and it's really short in the front, but your crown comes all the way down to here, your ponytail will be that long. The front part doesn't matter. The front part is more for some volume. And the thing you can also do, hold the section and pull. And that'll give you length if you want a ponytail as opposed to a messy bun. Oh, I would never get this type of length since the length of my hair is so much shorter than I would like for it to be. Twist, twist, twist. And we're almost done. That's how quick this is. Super easy. What's nice about this is you can do it for formal events. You can put accessories in your hair, you can put flowers in your hair. You can even put some pieces down if you would like. Take the back section. Let me turn around. Zhuzh and separate. Hold the sections, pull pieces down, hold the section, pull it down, zhuzh, and there you have it. Like, that's a super thick ponytail considering my hair is so much thinner than it used to be. And it's yummy, and it's big, and it's delicious. Super cute, right? And if you want to make this into a messy bun as opposed to like a really thick ponytail, you take another elastic, scrunch this all up, and just throw the elastic over it. And then just take pieces and tuck them in. Like, how easy is this? Cute, right? Thank you so much for watching my video. Do not forget to like and subscribe, and I will continue making more content for you and show you styles and tips and tutorials, and I appreciate you watching. Thank you.